Hello guys, today I will tell you how to move crypto from Coinbase Exchange to Coinbase Wallet. So let's get started.
So first what you need to do is download both the Coinbase app and Coinbase Wallet applications. If you haven't already, open the Coinbase Wallet app first and create your wallet. If you're setting up for the first time, then open the main Coinbase application and navigate to the transfer section at the bottom. Select send crypto to initiate the transfer process to your wallet. If you've previously set up your Coinbase wallet, the My Wallet option will appear as a destination. Tap this option to connect your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account. When prompted, select Connect Wallet and authorize the connection between the two applications. Return to the Coinbase app where you'll see your Coinbase wallet listed as a destination. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from your Coinbase account. Enter the amount you want to send and tap Transfer to initiate the transaction. The transferred crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet after blockchain confirmation. And that's how you move crypto from Coinbase Exchange to Coinbase Wallet.